Welcome to Epidemics. I'm Gabriel Leung, Dean of Medicine at the University of Hong Kong. In this MOOC, my colleagues and I will take you on a journey through not only the fundamental scientific principles underlying epidemics, but also the public health actions behind their prevention and control. We have substantially upgraded Epidemics since its debut in 2014. Besides the original 10-week introductory sessions on the origin, spread, and control of epidemics, we've added an exciting series of panel discussions with world-leading experts on major epidemic threats that you'll have read about in the headlines, including Ebola, Zika, and the anti-vaccination movement. In addition, we've prepared a series of supplementary modules on the latest development of next-generation informatics for controlling epidemics in the age of big data and artificial intelligence. We hope you enjoy the journey.